Today, Senior Snoops is doing a review on the WMX1 wireless microphone by Movo. Come join us. The Movo WMX1 wireless microphone comes complete with a carrying case, receiver, the transmitter, a lapel microphone, cables to attach to either a computer, GoPro, or smartphone, and a couple of extra attachments for the receiver or transmitter. The batteries that you see in the case were added by us because we knew that we were going to need extra batteries. The receiver has on-off switch, volume controls, line out, and a headphone jack. And we've attached the hot shoe attachment so that it can be mounted on top of a DSLR camera. The transmitter has an on-off switch and a volume control, a nice belt clip, a line in, and a headphone jack also, so that you can listen to what you're saying or the audio that's coming in. The microphone itself is a standard lapel microphone with a foam cover on the outside and about 10 feet of cable. There's a nice carrying case, as I mentioned, so that you can keep all of your wireless microphone items together. And then, of course, it comes with the operator's manual, which is kind of hard to see in the video, but it's right there. As we unpacked this, one of the first things that we recognized was that both the transmitter and the receiver take AAA batteries. And the batteries go in kind of clunky. And the batteries themselves are clunky. You have a little notch right here. Pull back on it, opens up the cover. The AAA batteries go in. The thing that it doesn't give you is any ability to tell battery level, and so you don't know when the batteries are ready to go out and time to change them. So you could be in the middle of a presentation, middle of a video or a vlog, and next thing you know, your batteries go out. So you gotta stop right in the middle, change out batteries, or go to something a little more basic, like the microphone that we have on top of our camera currently. This is a microphone also made by Movo, and we'll do a review on it later. It also includes a handle for the smartphone and lighting and a few other things. But anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to take a break and we're going to switch over to the wireless microphone and kind of see what the difference is in doing it inside of a room or inside of a building, and see if we can notice any differences in the sound audio quality. The WMX1 comes pre-paired, so both the transmitter and the receiver are already paired and matched. So you can see that I have the lapel microphone here. I have the transmitter on my pocket, and then the receiver is connected to the camera and is actually hanging from a tripod currently. And so now we have the ability to do wireless audio. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk around the room and check and see if the audio fails or if there's any differences, and we'll see how that works out. Here we go. I'm about 15 feet away from the currently from the receiver and the transmitter, and they are still paired, so we should be getting signal from them, and we'll check the audio when we get through here. Well, we're back inside of Senior SNOOPS headquarters now, and actually I was pretty impressed with the distance that we got with the wireless microphone. Once I had my body between the transmitter and the receiver, it was a little garbled, but even going around the corner, there was still a little bit of audio there, and as soon as I turned and started heading back, even though I was still behind the corner, you could hear the audio coming back. And even at 40 feet, 50 feet, we were still getting pretty good audio. So I'm pretty impressed with that part. So now that we've got all this, let's see how it does down at the river. We're here at Rooster Rock State Park, just off of Interstate 84 along the Columbia River, and we're doing a microphone test. This is our normal microphone that we use to do most of our videos, and we're going to check and see how well the wireless microphone does compared to this. So I'm just going to talk a little bit and tell you a little bit about Rooster Rock State Park. Rooster Rock State Park fronts a big portion of the Columbia River. At one end they have plenty of beaches, and then at the west end of the park they have a boat launch and a dock, a couple docks actually, and there's plenty of restrooms between, lots of parking spaces, a lot of river access. And so Rooster Rock is really a nice place to visit. As far as I know, there is no overnight camping. It pretty much is positioned between Interstate 84 and the Columbia River. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and give the wireless microphone a chance to see how well it does. So we've gone ahead and we've switched to the wireless microphone, and you can see that I have the lapel mic here attached just below my chin, and here is the transmitter that the microphone is connected to. Has a real nice belt clip, so it fits right on your belt, in your pocket, so it's out of the way. The receiver is attached to the camera, and so we have basically our wireless setup off and running. A couple of things that I don't like: it's a little clunky in that you've got to use AAA batteries in both setups. The receiver and the transmitter takes a AAA battery, two of them, and so you got to carry extra batteries. It just seemed like with the amount of money that they were charging for these, that a rechargeable lithium battery, permanently installed in the system that could be recharged just like your cell phone or any of the other apparatus, that camera systems and stuff that we have, would be a better way to go. And I can't imagine that the expense was that great to where we couldn't have that available to us. In the days of my music career, I had a wireless setup. It was a little bit more money than what this was, but it was set up that way with a lithium battery that was rechargeable. So all you had to do is plug it in, plug the microphone in, and you could charge both of those without having to worry about batteries running out and carrying extra batteries. So we're going to see how the rest of it works as soon as we finalize this video, and then we'll share our information with you when we get that all put together. Once again, we're back at Senior SNOOPS headquarters, still using the wireless mic, the WMX1 by Movo photo. Anyway, pretty impressed overall with the system. Like I said, a couple of things are kind of flunky. AAA batteries instead of a lithium battery that can be recharged. No battery indicator, so we don't really know where our battery levels are. So that if we get into the middle of a presentation or into the middle of a vlog or a recording, if the microphone should go out, There's no way to really know that until after you view the video. Well, I hope you enjoyed our video and our review of the WMX1 from Movo Photo. Is it worth the money? I think so. Like I said, aside from the clunkies, I think it's a pretty good microphone. So, hope to see you out there. If you like our videos, give us a like, give us a comment, and of course, please, please, please subscribe to our channel. Once again, thanks for joining Senior Snoops. Hope you've enjoyed our video of the Movo WMX1 wireless microphone. It's one of our secret weapons. Come back and join us for other reviews and other fun adventures. Thanks for spending time with Senior Snoops.